Hi everyone, Jess here. Before we get started on today's breathing exercise, I wanted to let you know that I'm currently live streaming full-length yoga classes. If you'd like to be notified of the schedule, click the link in my description box and you can send me your email and I will send you the weekly schedule. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to seeing you on the screen and on the mat. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, J-Rock Yoga. My name is Jess. And today in this video, I'm going to be taking you through how to practice three-part breathing. I love to use this right before Shavasana. I love to use this when I'm feeling a little bit anxious. This breath is super easy and it's very, very calming. So if you're interested in learning three-part breath, just keep watching. Okay, let's get started. So for this breath, I love to practice this breath on my back. I think that it just really allows space for the breath to move and do its magic. If you have blocks, you're welcome to use them. If you don't have blocks, no big deal. You can do it without blocks. So we'll make our way down to our back and we're gonna come into reclined Supta Baddha Konasana. So soles of the feet to touch, knees drop out, blocks can come underneath the thighs for support. But again, if you don't have blocks, no big deal. So come to a nice comfy space here, connecting your spine with the earth, letting the inner thighs drop open. And we're gonna bring our right hand to our belly and our left hand right above our heart space. Close down your eyes here. And just take a moment. Just start to feel your breath. And maybe feel the hands rise and fall as you breathe in and out. Notice where your breath is. Do you feel the left hand that's on the heart space rising and falling? Or do you feel the right hand that's on the belly rising and falling? Just start to take notice where your natural breath goes in the body. And then we're going to start to separate our breath pathway. So as you inhale, take a nice deep breath into the belly and let the hand on the belly rise. Fill up the belly with air. Hold your breath here. Now we're going to sip a little bit more air in, filling up into the lungs. Feel the hand on the heart lift just a little bit. Feel the lungs expand and hold your breath here. One more little baby inhale. Fill all the way up to the collarbones, to the sternum. Everything lifts. Hold. Open your mouth. Release the breath out of belly, out of lungs, and out of sternum. Good. We're going to do it again. So inhale into your belly. Hold. Inhale more into the lungs. Take up space. Hold. Inhale one more time up into the sternum. Fill all the way up and hold. Open your mouth. Let the air release. Let the spine relax. Let your body rest down. One more time here. Inhale deep down into the belly. Hand on the belly rises. Hold here. Inhale into your lungs, expand and take up space with this breath. Building on the other breath, hold here. Inhale one final time into the sternum, building the biggest breath yet. Open your mouth. And now we'll just take a natural breath in wherever the body wants to go. Big inhale. Open mouth, exhale. Just take a few moments, return your breath to normal. And just notice how you feel in your body. Just let that simmer, let it marinate. Relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the knees and the thighs. Just allowing that gentle breath work to really calm the central nervous system. And know that this breath can be used at the end of your practice before Shavasana. It can be used in the beginning if you'd like to really drop in and get connected. This breath can be used just in times when you need to feel a little more grounded. And you can do this breath the 3 rounds that we did, or you can do it until you feel calm or you feel like it's served its purpose. So up to 10 rounds would be perfectly great for this breath. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this 3-part breath is going to be useful for you in your lives and in your yoga practice. Please like this video if you liked it. Maybe comment below and let me know if it helped you or what you'd like to see next, because I would love to make videos that help you on your yoga journey, or just that you can take into your lives that make your life a little bit more light, a little bit easier. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'm at jrockyoga, and my website is jrockyoga.com for more information, how to contact me, recipes, blog posts, all the good stuff. So again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.